Hi, this is Maggie Harding. I want to show you today a new 3D textured impressions folder from Eileen Hall, and this one is called the Silverware. It makes a beautiful impression of silverware handles. So let me show you what we're going to make. I'm going to make a napkin ring. The holidays are coming, and I always like to set a really pretty table for the holidays. So this is what it looks like. And let me show you how I made it. It's really pretty simple. So I used silver inside mine. You could do whatever you wanted. So I cut a piece of silver paper. This is Tim Holtz's metallic paper, and it is 1 3/8 by 6 inches. And I cut a piece of black paper that is 1 1/2 by 6 inches. And the reason this one's a little wider is when I put them together, I just want to have a little bit of an edge on the outside for any little imperfections that might come up. So now the way that you use this folder, you take the folder, you lightly mist it, or I guess you can mist the paper. I always mist the folder. And then you wanna put this paper so that you're capturing the image of the handles, because that's the prettiest part to me. So you just do it like that, and then you run it through your embossing, your die cut machine. Now, you have to be really careful that you use the right sandwich, or you could mess up your machine, especially if it's a vagabond. I know because I broke mine that way. So you want the base plate only, not the, there's a little thin sheet that goes over that. That's it. You put the embossing folder directly on the base plate, and then you put just one of the other plates on top and run it through. And that's all there is to it. Now, I've already done one. So here it is. I don't know if you can see the impressions, but now I'm going to take some Sizzix luster wax, just lightly, and I'm just going to put a little bit on my palm here, and then I am lightly going to go over this. And you can see that I'm doing the wrong side. So let's turn it over. The other side was pretty too, but this side's prettier. It only takes a little wax to really bring that out. And there you have it. Isn't that pretty? Now, the wax comes off really easily with a baby wipe. So let me clean my hands here. And I need a paper towel. Oh, come on. All right. Now we're going to take the silver strip, and I'm going to put some double-sided tape on the back of it. And I think that double-sided tape works better because when I tried to use glue, if the glue did not stick 100%, you got little gaps where it just didn't look good. So this is my preferred thing, is to use score tape here. And when you're using score tape, you always want to brayer it down really good. Now, just going to take the score tape off. And I'm going to do it this way. So this is the back side. I'm going to lay this down so that there's just a little bit of an edge. That's it. Just glue the two together. Again, I'm going to brayer it down. And I'm going to put some score tape on the end here. And some on the other end. Whoops, I think I want it on this side. Okay, now to help form my napkin ring, I am using a simple paper towel roll. Just makes it a little easier to deal with. Peel this off. Put this down here, wrap this around and pull this around. And there you go. Isn't that simple? Then I'm going to take some baker's twine just to add a little interest to this and tie it on here. Okay, pair of scissors, cut that off, whoops. Okay, then the other thing I want to do is add a little tag to it. So I have cut a tag using some older dies from Eileen. This was called Framelits, and it cuts this cute little tag here. And so I am just going to thread that through. Tie it in a pretty bow. And there you go. Isn't that cute? So there you have it. That will set a very nice, elegant table. Thank you for joining me today.